Hello everyone, welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Have you ever pressed the power button on your laptop and nothing happened? No lights, no fan, no display, just a completely dead laptop. Don't panic. In most cases, your files are still safe. Today, I'll show you several easy ways to recover your data from a dead laptop, whether you're using Windows or a Mac. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your photos, documents, videos, and important files without making the problem worse. Let's get started. Method 1. Check if the laptop is really dead. Before removing the storage drive, let's make sure the laptop is actually dead. Check these things. Try a different charger. Remove and reconnect the battery if possible. Disconnect all USB devices. Hold the power button for 20 seconds. Connect an external monitor. Sometimes the laptop screen has failed, but the computer is still running normally. If none of these work, move to the next step. Method 2. Remove the SSD or hard drive. The easiest recovery method is to remove the internal storage. Most laptops contain either SATA hard drive, SATA SSD M2, SATA SSD M2 NVMe SSD. Turn off the laptop completely. Disconnect the charger. If the battery is removable, remove it. Open the back cover carefully. Locate the storage drive and remove it. Avoid touching the gold connector pins. Method 3. Use a USB adapter. Now connect the drive to another working computer. You'll need one of these USB to SATA adapter, SATA docking station, NVMe USB enclosure, M.2 SATA USB enclosure. Simply plug the drive into another PC. If the drive is healthy, Windows or Mac OS should detect it within a few seconds. Open File Explorer or Finder. Copy your important files to another drive immediately. Method 4. Recover data from a BitLocker drive. If your Windows drive is protected with BitLocker, you'll need the BitLocker recovery key. Enter the recovery key when prompted. Once unlocked, you can access all your files normally. Without the recovery key, the data cannot be decrypted. Method 6. If the drive isn't detected. Sometimes the storage device itself has failed. If the drive doesn't appear, try another USB adapter. Test on another computer. Listen for clicking sounds from HDDs. Check disk management in Windows. Check disk utility on Mac OS. If the drive is still invisible, avoid repeated power cycles. Recovering data from a dead laptop is often much easier than people think. In many cases, the laptop fails, but the SSD or hard drive is still perfectly healthy. Remove the drive, connect it to another computer, copy your files, and you're done. If the drive itself has failed, stop using it, and consider professional recovery before the damage gets worse. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.